Okay, we got Jason Underwood sleeping on the bed right here. I'm about to get him with air horn.
Hold on. Quit fucking around. Fuck you.